हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्टॉक रिजल्ट सीरीज के एक और वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। आज बात करेंगे टाटा मोटर्स की। मैंने कुछ 2 वीक्स पहले अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 दिन पहले टाटा मोटर्स का स्टॉक के बारे में एनालिसिस पोस्ट किया था। आप यहाँ ऊपर जाके देख सकते हैं, सजेशन में जो आपको वीडियो का लिंक दिख रहा है यहाँ पे आप जाके देखिए, चेक कीजिए। वहाँ पे मैंने क्लियर कट बताया था फ्रेंड्स कि 180 के आसपास सपोर्ट बैठेगा। रिजल्ट्स वाले दिन के आसपास का वीडियो है वो, 180 के आसपास देर विल बी सपोर्ट इन टाटा मोटर्स। एंड फ्रेंड, टाटा मोटर एग्जैक्टली बाउंस फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ 183. If you see that day, it made a bottom of 283, not 180. I made a mistake actually in the caption also in the old video, so I would like to correct, guys. So this is 280, and so 283 was 280 support I was mentioning there, and 283 exact bottom it took, and the next target we were expecting either it will go 281st or 331st. So this Tata Motor actually first made a bottom around 283. Our support was 280, and from there it is kept on rising for next 3 4 days, 5 days, and now it is trying to consolidate. Why it is trying to consolidate, friends? Because if you see here, this is a consolidation zone from where earlier breakout happened below downside. So if you see, there is some consolidation area and it is trying to take support around it, and currently support is placed at approximately 190 to 186 zone. So now the support is lifted up and support is placed at, sorry, again I'm putting 190. It's 290 and 286. So it's 290 and 286 support is placed here. So in Tata Motors on a daily chart we have a support placed around 290 to 286, and the next target of Tata Motor, friends, watch video till end, you will get to know in just a small video how and why we are getting this level. The next target is 335 plus, friends. The next target is 335. Do not miss the ride, take the ride and enjoy the ride. Now let us go and see why this target is coming up. So friend, this is a triple support, triple bottom, fourth bottom actually. Multiple time, it's a big demand zone. Price always tries to come up and go up. What is happening now? This hurdle of resistance, breakout resistance. So this is the area from where some consolidation previously happened and recently happened. Now it just took the resistance from here and just trying to correct here, and you will see next 3 days or 4 days or maximum 5 days it is breaking this region, and you will see we are reaching to this swing consolidation zone, and this zone is coming approximately around 340 area. So first target will be somewhere between 233 to 235, and if it crosses that we will see more highs are formed in Tata Motors. So friends, those who have not seen the old videos, and I'm making regular result series and stock analysis videos, please go to the channel and check. You have a lot of price action learning there, trying to understand, try to understand the price action, how it works, how we get the levels and how we get the targets. Everything is there, and there is no indicator at all. You don't need any indicator, pure price action. So friends, this is also some trend line coming up here, and now if you see here bottom in the support here. So if it can take support around this zone and just spend some 2 3 days and bounce, or it may try to another way, it may try to little bit correct more and around the 290 to 285 zone, and then from there it will probably try to rise up. So these are two possibilities, but be rest assured, 333 to 335 targets we are going to see in Tata Motors. It could be 5 days, 10 days, or whatever time. It's very bullish now, and do not try to short Tata Motors. Let us also quickly look at the weekly chart and what is happening on a weekly chart. See, the after a fall, continuous fall, it made a clear rejection candle here. It made a clear rejection candle. It's a uptrend candle basically. This candle signifies that after a downtrend, if this candle is formed, typical dozy like structure and especially at support, so that means there is a trend reversal likely to come up. The moment it will move above 311, the moment this candle high, because this candle is a breakout candle, so this big candle, it is broken up by this subsequent follow-up candle, and we just took the resistance here. The moment it starts trading above 311, friends, it will shoot up straight away 335 plus levels very soon and very fast. It is the point where it will gain momentum. Now also let us try to see if on a hourly chart, if some structures are formed which we can take help of. It's a typical trend line structures are formed, friends, on an hourly chart. If you see, typical trend line is formed, and from there it is taking support. What happens, friend, at a trend line, price generally try to make a higher lows. So if you see here at this trend line area, it is not showing any kind of rejection. So it's not a typical rejection the way it showed here. In this trend line, once this candle got rejected, the price remained for next 5 6 hours in this candle itself, in the range of this candle. So that means price is pretty much bullish and trying to hold, and it might now be sideways and touch this base. Once it touches this, it will go shoot up. So we are very bullish in Tata Motors, friend. Candle structure, price psychology, everything is saying that we are making. See, this is higher low is form. This is another higher low. After making a bottom, it is making higher lows, higher lows. So this was the bottom here, interim bottom. And after making this bottom, it is making higher lows, higher lows. So higher lows formation are a typical sign of an uptrend market. So we are going to see definitely a big move coming up, and let us see if it goes to 290 and 285 zone, and again do a retesting there, and from there we see 330 plus level. So friends, I hope you like the video and you like the price action. If your friends, family members, or any relatives or known people are holding Tata Motor, please share this video with them so that they get some confidence if they are in buying position. And I hope you will enjoy the next videos also, which I'm making every day. And please keep engage yourself in this learning. Otherwise, the price action is the simplest thing. Without an indicator, without any option chain, you can get to know a lot of things about the price structure and the stock. So friends, I'll see you in the next video with some more interesting stock and price structure. Till then, have a good day, take good care of yourself. Thanks a lot.